Hey, what's up, ComSci community? I'm back with day number 24 of my 100 Days of Code challenge. Today I learned about pseudo elements as well as pseudo classes. First, I learned how to use the NthChild Tudo class by giving it a parameter of even or odd, which targets the even or odd number elements within a parent element. I also learned how to use expressions for more complex parameters. Next, I learned about the NthType Pseudo class, which is very similar to the NthChild. However, the NthType Pseudo class allows you to further specify the type that you want to select. After that, I learned about the root and target pseudo classes, and I really like the target pseudo class especially because it allows you to style elements that are being targeted with a specific ID. Then I moved on to pseudo elements. I learned about the first line and first letter pseudo elements, which, as you may have guessed, target the first line and first letter of an element. Last but not least, I learned about the before and after pseudo elements, which, as the name suggests, allows you to place a certain style before or after an element. Alright, well that's all I have for today. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Have a great day.